There also it was thesis, antithesis leading to synthesis. In nature, when opposites combine, you produce something which is more powerful. And therefore, for innovation, you need to embrace the power of diversity. I think innovation is going to be at the core of an individual or an organization or a country to survive and prosper. Innovation is possible only when you bring lot of diversity of thinking. Even in the old, we were discussing Marxism, right? I'm a pseudo-Marxist, false Marxist, not a true one. There also it was thesis, antithesis leading to synthesis. In nature, when opposites combine, you produce something which is more powerful. And therefore, for innovation, you need to embrace the power of diversity. So it's not only because philosophically and morally it's a nice thing to do, which is good enough to do it, by the way, but it makes damn good business sense to embrace the power of diversity and the power of inclusion. And one more reason, and I want to add, now this is from a societal point of view, the new normal in which we are operating, mostly we talk about VUCA. That's the common way of, it's not only VUCA, it's VUCA plus pushback. I think all stakeholders, whether it's consumers, employees, members of the supply chain, the communities, shareholders, of course, the communities in which we operate are not going to lie back and take what we give to them. There will be a pushback. And one of the ways, or perhaps the only way to take care of a pushback is to include. Therefore, I think, and I'm repeating myself, you cannot be competitive on a sustained basis. You cannot show sustained outperformance unless, in addition to whatever you may do on the pure efficiency and effectiveness side and technology side, you are fair and inclusive with respect to the ecosystem. So I think it's going to be a complete, practical business necessity to be fair and inclusive if you want to be competitive.